Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rosie here, and I'm wearing my Coffee First Life Later t-shirt today. You know, I need some coffee to get through life, and I have my Queen Rose Boutique package here. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. But before I show you guys that, you guys have to go see my last video that I just posted. My sister-in-law sent me a bunch of cute stuff, so she sent me some charms. There was 2 more charms behind those. There's a little horseshoe and a wishbone charm, so I gotta put those on one of my bracelets. Then she sent me a ton of makeup items, you guys. So go check out that video and check out all the cute stuff that she sent me, you guys. Oh my god, I can't believe all the makeup items she sent me. But today I want to open up my Queen Rose Boutique. You guys know she puts her little stickers on there that says thank you, and the handle with love. It's fragile on top. So let me see if I can grab some scissors so I can slice it open. I love her packaging, you guys. You guys have seen me mention her in the last packages that I purchased from her, which were some earrings and some lashes. I think this might be my second or my third package from her. I can't recall. But you guys, if you're not following her on Instagram, make sure you go follow her on Instagram. I'm dropping stuff already. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all know I say dropping everything. Pause. Okay, I'm back. If you guys aren't following her on Instagram, go follow her on Instagram. Her page is Queen Rose Boutique, and her Instagram, which is her YouTube channel, is Miracle Sierra. So go follow her. Go check out her boutique, Queen Rose Boutique. The website is queenroseboutique.net, I believe. I'm gonna double check it right now. Yeah, so she always puts her little thank you card in there, Queen Rose Boutique, and then those are her Instagram. Her YouTube is Miracle Sierra, and her email she puts on there, and the Queen Rose Boutique Instagram. And I'm pretty sure it's queenroseboutique.net. Yes, that's what it is. queenroseboutique.net. And she wrote thank you on my little packaging slip. She checks off everything that you order right there. Pretty cool. And I love her packaging, you guys. She does everything so carefully. It's so funny because I woke up this morning and she had posted the video of her packaging my particular package, and I was like, oh wait, let me stop watching. I want to be surprised. And little did I know it was actually coming today. So I turned off the video and I stopped watching because I like to be surprised. So here is the bubble wrap that she adds in there. I always save that because I could use it for something else. And then she puts these cute little punch outs. Oh my god. You guys know I am a scrapbooker. So these little things mean so much to us. Wait, I'm looking for the other ones. Because she always puts a heart and the shape of Texas. Okay, here's the heart. Oh, it's a spider web for Halloween. So cute. Okay, wait. Where's Texas? I know he's in here somewhere. Alright, we'll find him. He's got to be in there. There's 3 of them. And I always keep her packaging. I like her business card. Even though she always puts it in all the packages. But yeah, we'll find Texas. I know he's got to be in the box somewhere. They're so cute. I have the other ones from her previous packages to me, and I just like keeping them. Alright, so she does such a great job, you guys. Oh my god. In packaging all the stuff, and she puts a cute little sticker. So you guys check out her boutique. I think I bought the last 2 of certain items, but she's always restocking new stuff. And she always has really cute stuff, you guys. So yeah, you gotta check out her page. So I got this Mexicana bag. Oh my god, it is so cute. And then inside it has 2 of her lashes. Alright, let's crack that open. And she always puts like the little shredded paper, stuff like that in there. Super cute. You guys know, like, when business owners like package their stuff, like, this is their brand, like, this is representing them. So she always does such a really beautiful job on her packaging. So there's 2 lashes in here, and then there is the spoolie. So it has the spoolie thing, and then it has the applicator thingy, and I love that because I'm always losing those. And then these are her Queen Rose lashes. Super cute. I love the packaging. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute because it has like makeup all over it. Okay, and then these are Bonita. Those are her lashes, Bonita. Wait, I'm trying to cover the light a little bit so you can see the lash. And then you'll definitely see me using her lashes in my makeup tutorials. And then I'll put her link below so you guys could go directly to her link. So that was one thing that I got. So I got that. That's the Texas Duo lash. I got the Rosa lash, and then I got a leopard clutch. Put that on the side. There's all these little squiggly things in the box. Okay, let's crack this one open. And everything, she puts everything in the tissue paper, you guys. So pretty. Oh, look, she sent me a free lash set. Look, she sent me another one of the Queen Rose. Thank you, my love. Because I know she's watching. Thank you. That was a cute surprise. And it has another spoolie in there. Thank you, thank you. Last time she sent me little angel earrings that I love. So these are her Rosa lashes. And we know my name is Rosa. And her mom's name is Rosa. Or Rose. So yeah. You know I had to get those. So pretty. So I'm trying to be a little adventurous, you guys, and get like the bigger lashes. She always wears like really big beautiful lashes, so that like inspired me to wear bigger lashes. You know I'm still in this box looking for the Texas Punch Out, right? We're just gonna throw that everywhere. Okay, here's the clutch. I found him. Oh, and he has bats on it. I'm a scrapbooker. Like, we can contain ourselves. All 3. Okay. So, the last thing I got was this clutch. Oh my god. I didn't think it was going to be this big. Girl, this thing is big. Thank you. Wow, on the website, that picture does not do it justice. I thought it was going to be like small, like a small clutch. Wow, it's a big clutch. I love it. This is so cool. So you guys know, like, normally I'm not crazy about leopard print. But you guys, this bag, so it's in this like soft packaging, which you could put it back in there. This bag was just so pretty. Like, I normally like leopard print if it's like pink colors or like other colors of leopard, but this bag was so freaking gorgeous. I had to buy it. I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, it's like a nice, like, I don't know, I can't say it's plastic because it's not plastic, but it's like a very shiny type of material, and the picture was just like so enticing. Oh my god, like it was just so pretty. I had to get it. And then the inside is like leather, like, oh my god. And then it has the two magnetic things to close it. Oh my god, I had to get it. Like, the picture was like so pretty. Like, you could see the shine in the picture, and I was like, whoa, is it like a metallic? Like, what's the material on it? I'm like, I had to get it, yo. It was so stinking pretty. And then it has these really cute like gold things on the side. So yeah, I better hope that she can restock it, because I got the last one. Sold out, baby. Yes. So I'm so excited. I got the last one. Sorry, y'all. Well, hopefully she can restock it, and maybe y'all could get one too. I'm so bad. Oh my god, look at that pretty like string to put it on your arm. Oh yes, yes. No, the doctor told me I can't go outside at the wrong time, because I'm going outside and I'm taking my leopard print bag with me. Okay, what? Oh my god, it is so freaking pretty, y'all. Oh my god. So y'all better go check out her website, see if she's able to restock it, and get you one, because Rosie got the last one. You snooze, you lose. Y'all gotta keep on top of her website, okay? Because she always has new and different things. Like, when I first purchased my lashes, the first lashes that she came out with, they look like this. Remember, in the little drawer thing, which I do believe she still has them. But then now she has cute ones like this and the little spoolie. So y'all gotta go check out her page and continue to see what she brings, because my girl is doing her thing, okay? She is bringing new stuff. And yeah, y'all gotta keep watching her page. All right, I gotta save on my little scrunchies. They're like all over my table, so I saved them. Yes, and I saved my tissue paper. And then my little punch outs, I'm putting them up on my board with the rest of them. I'm so excited, you guys. I love when I get new packages. So I don't know, which ones do y'all want me to do for my next look? We got the Queen Rose, we got Rosa, and then we got the Bonita ones. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know which one I want to do for my next look. And I gotta start like I gotta find something to store like just her lashes, because like most of the lashes that I have right now are just hers. So I gotta find a way to store them. So let's crack open this Bonita one and see what that looks like. I'm gonna crack them open. The Rosa, you could pretty much see what it looks like because the packaging is clear. But let's check out these. Ooh, these are the Bonita. How pretty is that? Oh my god, you guys, I don't know. I think I'm gonna end up having to do one of each of my looks. All right, let's open this Queen Rose. The other one is in the baggie. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one's like separated bunches. Like it has a little bunch and then separated, then a little bunch. Ooh, I've never used a pair like this, so I think I'm gonna use these on my next look. I'm gonna leave these out and I'm gonna use these for my next look for sure. You have to like get out of your comfort zone, you guys. And the rosa ones are like super long. Like, oh my god, they're just so gorgeous, you guys. Can you guys see that through the packaging? Like, I want to save those. I don't even want to use them. They're so pretty. I finally cracked open my other ones the other day because I gave one to my girlfriend and then I kept two from the first time I ordered. So I had kept these two. So if you guys look at my videos from my other makeup looks, you'll see me use them. Or on my Instagram, I have some beautiful pictures. And I'm wearing her lashes. And it was these two. So you guys, you gotta check them out. Alright. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I'm gonna go play with my new stuff that I got. I'm so happy. Thank you, Chica. I love my stuff. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I'm a big kid. Alright, you guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Stay safe out there. Check the clearance out. Love ya. And go check out my last two videos. I just filmed one unboxing some stuff that my sister-in-law sent me. And I filmed another one doing a little scientific project. I call it a scientific project with zote soap. So go check those two videos out and stay tuned for my next makeup tutorial. Bye, you guys. And don't forget, go check out my girl, Queen Rose Boutique. Bye.